Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Gaming Basics. In today's video, I will be teaching you guys how to connect your MetaQuest 3 to the PC. So at first, check out the navigation bar pressing the Meta button on your controller. And after your navigation bar is out, open your settings. And go to the option System. And go for the option Quest Link. And turn this on. And click on this Launch Quest Link. And also guys, either you can connect with the cable. If you don't want to use the cable, just turn it on. From here, you can connect to the PC. So guys, that's how you connect your MetaQuest 3 to the PC. If you find our video helpful, please leave a like and please do not forget to subscribe our channel. Also hit the bell icon to get updates with our latest videos and drop a comment for reviews and more content like this. I will see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.